if it looked especially bright out there overnight, it's because we have a full moon. It's so beautiful. It's not just any full moon, it's the hunter's moon and a super moon to boot. Bragging much, Moon. The moon marks the third supermoon of the year and the closest one to the Earth yet. The First Nation tribes call October's full moon the hunter's moon because it signals when they would gather meat for the long winter ahead.
Look at that.
I mean, what's so funny about this, Sydney, as she joins us, it's not just the super roll, it's a super roll, you know?
Super moon over here.
I know, I can't say it better than you did, but it is. It's a big, beautiful, gorgeous moon out there, and it's the closest we're going to see the moon to Earth. So you don't have to see this every day. So that full hunter moon is out to play this morning, I suppose. But once the sun does come up, we're going to still see a large moon even tomorrow. Right now, 90% of its distance to Earth. It's much closer in perigee. As we go through our next few months, we will see that fourth super moon of the year. And it's the roundest and closest moon of the year, as mentioned. So also coming with a full moon, we see higher tides, and that's not going to be the best for locations along the coast, but we're just expecting some splash over for parts of the weekend because of this low pressure that is just offshore and is going to continue churning offshore, pulling our winds in, so we will have a northerly wind going through our weekend, but we're not expecting much as far as rain goes from that. It's going to be the naturally high tides in addition to this wind that is going to cause rip current issues and also some splash over possible right along the coast. That does exit, though, by the time that Saturday rolls around. We'll be watching this system pulling those winds in from the north by the time that we go into Friday. Today, though, we get a little break in the wind. So that's good news because yesterday a bit breezy. Today we're going to be a bit more calm. But by the time late Thursday to early Friday rolls around, wind gusts between 15 and 25 miles per hour will be possible right along the coast. Some spots could see 30, 35 mile per hour wind gusts. Then heading through much of our day Friday, we'll continue with that potential for 30 mile per hour wind gusts. So we're mainly dry at this time. We are staying mainly dry through the day today. And of course, a cold one out there this morning. 27 for Bedford, 28 for Norwood. That's hard freeze territory. If these temperatures stay at that temperature for 2 hours, that is officially a hard freeze for areas like Bedford and Norwood. Boston, though, sitting at 41. So right now, 41 degrees in Boston. Heading out the door around 8 o'clock in the morning. We'll be looking at 40 degrees before those temperatures really start to rise. Low 50s by the time we head through much of the afternoon. Middle and upper 50s for high temperatures. 56 in Boston, 59 for Norwood, 58 for Lawrence. Going through our next few afternoons, we're going to slowly be warming things up Friday, and then a gorgeous weekend coming our way. Both Saturday and Sunday looking sunny, looking warm. Saturday very seasonable for where we should be for this time of year, and then Sunday making it to those 70s. 70s are sticking around for much of next week, even low to middle 70s to start things off next week.
Oh, we love